Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add a pop-up into your Beacons AI website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, I want to let you know this is for the Beacons AI website builder. This is not for the Beacons link in bio. If you want to add a pop-up into your Beacons link in bio, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But why would you want to add a pop-up into your Beacons website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. With Beacons, you can go ahead and add a pop-up, put the focal onto a new product that you have, or maybe to gather emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process handled here in your Beacons account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in, and in order to add a pop-up to your Beacons website builder, here on the left side, you want to click on website. Once you do that, you'll see all the websites that you have with Beacons website builder. You can see I have these two. And in order to add a pop-up, what you're going to do is find the website and then click on the blue edit button here to the right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see an image of your website. And in order to add a pop-up, what you're going to do is click on this website button here on the top left. Once you do that, you'll see all the pages that you have in your Beacons website builder. However, you want to go ahead and click on this button here, pop up. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and make sure this black dark line is around promote a product. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open this image of the pop-up on your Beacons website builder. And then on the right side, this is where you're going to edit it. So all these words, you can go ahead and edit those out. So now available will change right now. So let's see, buy my product now. Okay, and then here it says get my product. So maybe I'll put, or you will miss out. Okay, and then we can go ahead and change the subheading size. So it's a medium. Let's go ahead and put it at large. And then the text on the button, it says buy now. Maybe I'll put get your credit card. Okay. And then what you want to do is go ahead and add a product that you added in. If you need help adding a product into your Beacons AI account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Now, once you've added a product, you can easily add it by clicking on this button and then just choosing a product. So for example, we'll do this one and that one, and then I'll click add to products. Okay, so there is our pop-up that we put in our Beacons AI website builder. Now you're not finished until you click on publish here on the top. Okay, and then you're going to see this green pop-up. Your website has been published. Now anybody who lands on my Beacons AI website builder will see this pop-up right here promoting my product. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a pop-up into your Beacons AI website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.